Hi, Gus from Green Monster. I'm here today to show you how to set up the lifting clutch tack. Let's begin by screwing the columns into the load bridge. This triangular piece of aluminium is the load bridge, and we want to orientate that with this recess facing down. Take one of the columns and start screwing it in. Now what's important here is that we don't fully bottom out the column. We don't want the shoulder to be hard up against the load bridge. This will give us a little bit of wiggle room and will make the next step so much easier. With the last column loosely screwed into the load bridge, it's now time to install it onto the load base. This is the load base, and the only thing to remember is that you want the text on the bottom of the base to line up with the text on the bottom of the load bridge. Taking our load bridge, we insert it. With that in place, we can now finish tightening up each of the 3 columns. All that remains is that we lock the entire system together with the grub screws. With that last grub screw nice and tight, all that remains is for the installation of the PT21. We take the tester and install it on the load bridge. Ensure that the text on the PT21 lines up with the text on the load bridge. Taking our remaining 4 screws, we will now lock the PT21 to the tack. Finger tighten all 4 screws, and once aligned, nip them up. That's it, you're set up.